Okay, here we've got the two halves that I've made up by laying up each half of the original moulds. Yeah, you see they're been trimmed flush around the edges, and basically 4 layers of 10-ounce cloth laid up in there, and then nicely trimmed to the edge, sanded flush, and then finish the inside off with some filler, and then lots of initially red tinted resin laid up in there, sanded flush, and then finished off with black resin. Maybe able to see in this one a bit better. You can see nice and smooth. Okay, we're going to put 10 coats of wax on these, Oscar's mould release wax, and then a coat of PVA, which will be this PVA. Nice coat of that, put on with a sponge at the end, and we'll be ready to go. The other thing I'm going to do is cut off each part of the fuselage so as to give me a nose mould and the main fuselage mould. Okay, so I shall get on and do that, and then we shall come back to this later. Okay, as you can see, been cut off. I then get my my nice perma grit rasp, and on the smooth side I just give it a good sanding over that way and that way. Try and get it all nice and flat. There we go. I've now got 4 parts of the mould. Only need 2 more. Okay, there we are. 10 coats of wax on all the pieces. I'm just going to put some PVA on it all now. Just use a bit of sponge, come off the sofa, just whop it in there, really. Spread it out so as there's no runs. Lovely. Just want a nice thin film over it, but not thick enough so as it starts running. Fuselage, we just put it all around the edges as well. You don't want anything sticking to the edges. It's got a blue tint in it, so you can pretty much see where you're going. Fast and easy, that's what I like. Edges once again. Okay. Sponge washes that in water. Okay, sponge washed out. Leave it for maybe 5 minutes and it just starts to tack. If you go over it with the damp sponge, it smooths it out even more. Okay,